As Indonesia moves towards its vision of Indonesia Emas 2045, the need for high-quality digital talent has never been more crucial. Born from Kompas Gramedia's education ecosystem, together with Universitas Multimedia Nusantara and Multimedia Nusantara School, Multimedia Nusantara Polytechnic was established to shape the next generation of industry-ready professionals. With a vision to become a world-class polytechnic, MNP is committed to nurturing outstanding talents who are prepared to face the digital transformation era. We provide the younger generation with practical skills grounded in the integration of artificial intelligence and sustainability, while instilling strong character and global competitiveness. In doing so, MNP produces graduates who are ready to work, ready to create, and ready to make an impact. MNP offers 3 applied bachelor programs specifically designed to meet industry needs: animation and game, event management, and digital commerce and supply chain. Within these 3 programs, students can choose from 7 specialized tracks: digital animation, game design, event production, event marketing, event concept, digital supply chain, and digital commerce. The entire curriculum is integrated with artificial intelligence and sustainability and is further strengthened by LSP, licensed by BNSP, to ensure the competence of its graduates. The learning process at MNP is supported by modern and comprehensive facilities to foster creativity and innovation. In addition, students have the opportunity to learn directly from professional practitioners, with 85% of MNP lecturers being industry practitioners, ensuring that they are guided by experts with real-world expertise. Students also experience project-based learning, enabling them to gain knowledge and skills that are highly relevant to industry needs. MNP also emphasizes a strong link and match model with industry partners. This approach not only provides students with valuable professional exposure, but also helps them build solid networks that supports their career development. With these strong connections, 100% of MNP students have brought career opportunities even before graduation. This strong commitment to quality led MNP to receive the Best Polytechnic Award from LL Dikti Region 3. Furthermore, MNP students actively achieve excellence by winning awards and competitions, both nationally and internationally, in academic as well as non-academic fields. MNP is more than just a vocational institution. It is the birthplace of future makers, a generation ready to innovate, contribute, and create meaningful change for the nation and the world. Join MNP and be part of the future. Build your future, be the future.